Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So as per the thumbnail and title, in this video I'm going to talk regarding KIIT, Kenya Institute of Industrial Technology, Bhubaneswar versus SRM University, Chennai. And why I'm taking this topic, because this is a hot topic among candidates. Many of the comments I'm getting that how is SRM, how is KIT, whether to join KIT or whether to join SRM. If you have related more questions regarding multiple university, KIT जाना है, SRM जाना, VIT जाना, Manipal जाना है, comparison चाहिए, do comment in the comment box. I am in a motto to deliver something genuine, because see, I am putting an effort. Like it's around 1 in the night, around I can say 12 at night 003, and I'm making this video for you all guys. It's like I'm taking an effort in order to deliver something that can be helpful for you in some or the other way. See, we are 3-4 years back pass out, and yes, connecting with everyone, trying to get genuine and outputs, because at the end in India you join engineering college to get a job, that you know. And in this channel, all the things from college to corporate, everything you will be definitely getting. So if you are someone who would like to get an IT job, who want to know about IT job, how you can crack an IT job, do check out my channel. There will be lots of things related to that. In fact, I talk regarding colleges and just give you an input as per your individual choices and needs. See, every individual is different and every individual needs some special guidance. It's not like that every individual I will be giving a common solution that KIT acha hai, SRM acha hai. But I will be comparing a pros and cons related KIT and SRM. To do watch this video till end. So video को शुरू करने के पहले let us introduce myself. I'm an IT guy just like you all guys, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience and lots more that you can think related to IT. नाउ तो सवाल आता है कि KIT अच्छा है या SRM अच्छा है. तो एक सिंपल सवाल की आंसर देता हूँ, एक सिंपल सवाल की आंसर देता हूँ कि बोथ ऑफ देम आर ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल. एक ही थाली के चट्टे बट्टे, बट हाँ, जहाँ हर कॉलेज की अपनी डिमेरिट्स एंड मेरिट्स है. अब क्या डिमेरिट्स एंड मेरिट्स है उसके लिए तो वीडियो पूरा देखना पड़ेगा. मैं ये अभी बता दिया कि ऑलमोस्ट कॉमन है, बट हाँ, अब सुनो क्या मेरिट्स एंड डिमेरिट्स है. सी, बोथ द कॉलेजेस आर ऑलमोस्ट लाइक गिविंग यू एन एवरेज सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी, प्लेसमेंट कंसल्टिंग कंपनी, स्टार्टअप बेस्ड कंपनी, एंड few companies are coming that are product based. That's the thing sorted over there, both the colleges. Difference is like KIT is little near college, whereas SRM is a college which is little older. So the kind of alumni network, the kind of startup network, the kind of companies network that SRM might be having may not be with KIT. But it's not like that कि alumni network नहीं है तो KIT में placement खराब है. KIT की भी alumni network in this 25 years is much better you can see, because it's a kind of a growing college where you can find where you can see the alumni of that college is in multiple industries. If you are talking about any big four, any service based company, any product company, any, not every, because there are 67,000 company, most of the renowned product based company, startups, analytics company, digital, any company you are talking about, you will find the alumni from KIT and SRM. Then the choice is quite tough ना कि कहाँ जाए. दोनों तो तुम सेम बराबर बोल रहे हो. डिफरेंस क्या बताता हूँ. SRM चेन्नई में है, जो कि सिलिकॉन वैली ऑफ इंडिया के आसपास है. इवन चेन्नई इज अ ग्रेट IT सिटी वेयर लॉट्स ऑफ स्टार्टअप्स आर देयर. तो रीजन क्या है कि SRM में जो कनेक्शंस है, लाइक मिड रेंज की कंपनीज और लोअर सेगमेंट कंपनीज, जो पैकेज थोड़ा लो पे करती हो, और उससे ज़्यादा मतलब कि स्टार्टअप बेस्ड कंपनी जो कि मिड रेंज स्टार्टअप है, लाइक 8-9 लाख के एवरेज के पैकेज जो पे करती हो, उसकी कनेक्शन ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज इट्स अराउंड Silicon Valley of India and Chennai, where the lots of startups are there and they are having a good corporate connects, what I mentioned. Same with KIT, but the number of count of companies mid-range startup and lower segment startup is less. It's not like that KIT is not having that network, that is also there. सी, सर्विस इंडस्ट्री की बात करूँ, प्रोडक्ट इंडस्ट्री की बात करूँ, तो ऑलमोस्ट दोनों के कॉमन है. बिग फोर में दोनों जगह हर बिग फोर आती है, मे बी डेलॉयट, EY, PwC और मोर. Everything what I was talking about. Service based company की बात करो, Accenture, Capgemini, TCS, Wipro, whatever you are telling, they are coming to both the colleges. Different startups में होती है, product based companies में थोड़ी बहुत difference है. That is based out of their current requirement and all. So उसमें थोड़ा सा difference आता है. Rest KIT is a great if you are supposed candidate coming from Jharkhand, Bihar, UP, Uttar Pradesh, Raipur, Chhattisgarh or West Bengal. I would say KIT can be the best option for you. The reason, you are nearby to your hometown, you will be getting a great placement assistant, you will be getting a great campus, you will be getting a great alumni network, you will be getting a great exposure. Similar thing I will be talking about, like if you are open to relocate far away like Chennai and all, then you can go it. But the thing is that at the end, if you are going to get something that is common, the things that are going to be served on your plate is common, then why not to be nearby to your hometown college only? At least you are, see, abhi 4 साल तो घर भी जा पाओगे, but after 4 years what? It will be like difficult for you, na? So it's better go live nearby, learn nearby, because placement almost common है. मैं थोड़ा सा जो बात किया स्टार्टअप और कुछ प्रोडक्ट बेस कंपनी की, वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है, बट ये ऑलमोस्ट कॉमन है. नाउ द अदर डिफरेंस जो आता है वो मैं बताऊंगा, कल्चरल डिफरेंस. सी KIT में सर्टन सेट्स ऑफ पीपल आते हैं, मतलब कि एक रीजनल पीपल ज़्यादा है वहाँ. इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट KIT यूनिवर्सिटी, रीजनल पीपल, लाइक इफ ओवर देयर यू विल फाइंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर फ्रॉम झारखंड, बिहार, उड़ीसा, वेस्ट बंगाल एंड ऑल. Very few. There are people from Bangalore also, from Gujarat also, from North, from South, from Hyderabad, everywhere the people are there, but count is less. Whereas you are taking in the SRM, the variety, or where, what I can say, the global spectrum of people are there. So exposure will be definitely more if you are into the spectrum of people where multiple spectrum of people are there. Definitely you will be getting more exposure over there. So more exposure, more growth, that's very fine. You will be talking with multiple segment of people, more growth will be there in your personal growth I'm talking about. Rest, if I'm talking about pros and cons, KITs, the headcount are little less as compared to SRM. SRM headcount are literally worst, I can say. They are having so much of headcount that definitely during the placement drive time, the mesh will happen, because see, companies are coming there. Choosing among this number of headcount, definitely it will be difficult to get a genuine one. So that can be a problem, whereas KIT is having little less headcount. It's not less also, but yes, as compared to SRM it's less, and it is having a single campus, whereas SRM is having a 4 campus. So KIT में कुछ campus related discrimination नहीं होगी, जो कि SRM में possibilities हो सकती है. After that, अगर कैंपस की बात करें तो दोनों के पास बहुत ही अच्छा, व्हाट आई कैन से, एंड टू एंड बहुत ही बेटर कैंपस है, एंड दैट कैंपस कैन हेल्प यू टू ग्रो इन सम अदर वे, बिकॉज ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड ऑल रहेगी. SRM में KIT both are known in India, both are known in India for what I can say, in the terms of engineering. It's not like that if you are comparing with IITs and IT, definitely it's not like that, but yes, it's a very good college in order to grow. Right now you are thinking कि कहाँ जाए, SRM चले जाए, KIT चले जाए. See, right now what is my personal suggestion, try to give examinations both, try to find out which branch is your interest and what you are getting where. Okay, try to figure out on multiple dimensions, like what is priority for you, living near home or going anywhere. It's not an issue, you can take a flight and come back home anytime you want. It really depend upon person to person, family to family. After that, what is important to you, to be in a regional space or to be in a place where people from global, means across India is coming, and there is a diversity of people where you can learn and grow more. After that, see, you want to live in a place where, means KIT is a kind of happy place, what I feel. So whereas SRM is like not so, as per my opinion. It's like okay, and SRM is like old college, so the kind of buildings infrastructure is little old age, whereas if you are comparing with KIT, it's a new one only. So अगर दोनों की कंपेयर करें तो इट्स लाइक कांटे की टक्कर है. ओके, वेयर टू गो, वेयर टू नॉट गो, बिकॉज दोनों महंगे कॉलेज है भाई. कोई सस्ता भी कर देता तो एक आंसर देने को मिलता. थिंग इज दैट बोथ आर expensive college only, but it's totally depend upon the person to person, of a person requirement, person needs and requirement, what exactly they want and what they expect from their college. As per their expectation, will be planning that we should go to KIT or SRM. So I think I've tried to cover much. Application dates are on for both. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3 examinations are there. Do try it, do fill the examinations so that at least when you are trying for in college, you can get the best out of the options that are available to you. KIT SRM के बारे में और detailed information चाहिए from an best alumni network or from the best network, because we are passed out 3-4 years back and we are having a better network right now about the company's network, about the college networks and all, from connections, all the genuine reviews we will be trying to provide you. Do put them in the comment box और किस कॉलेज के बारे में रिव्यू चाहिए, क्या और जानना है इस दोनों कॉलेज के बारे के रिव्यू में, तो वो भी कमेंट में बताओ. और हाँ, वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा, डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव अ बिग थम्स अप, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर इट अमंग योर फ्रेंड ग्रुप. और वीडियो थोड़ा सा भी लगा होगा कि एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे तो कमेंट में बताना क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे थे. वीडियो तो मिलते हैं नई वीडियो में एक नए इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. मेरे साथ पर्सनल सेशन लेने के लिए, पर्सनल सेशन अगर डाउट है कुछ तो देख लो भाई, टॉप में लिंक की लिंक मिल जाएगी डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो में, वहाँ से सेशंस शेड्यूल करो, चेकआउट, मतलब कि कॉल बुक करो, शेड्यूल अ कॉल विथ मी, कनेक्ट विथ मी पर्सनली एंड यस टेक द इनपुट दैट यू कैन टेक फ्रॉम मी. चलो मिलते हैं एक नई वीडियो में एक नई इन्फॉर्मेटिव कंटेंट के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय.